Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from Zara. This is the first time I bought a bag from Zara. I have bought their clothing before and their quality could be hit and miss sometimes, but I think overall they are a little better than H&M. So I'm interested to see how this bag looks. This is the bag that it came in. I'm not sure I like the idea that they're showing the brand on the box, because even though Zara is not famous as an expensive brand, but still, I don't think I want people to know what items I purchase. Oh, wow, even come with a dust bag. It's a really flimsy kind of thin dust bag, but at least they give you one, right? Pretty funny. Okay, here is the bag. I think they call this texture mini crossbody. We'll see how I open it. I have no idea. Do I just... So this is the back, the front, the side, and the back. I wish it has a back pocket at the back, but it doesn't. For me, I got this bag because I really like how it looks on the picture. The details and the hardware, it just look interesting to me. Straight away I could tell the quality is not the best for sure, but so far I could work with this. But I need to figure out how do I... so you squish this in to open the bag. So inside the bag it has a slip pocket at the back all the way down. Probably great for putting your wallet or phone. You can actually pull out the whole fabric. Look at that. The lining, you can pull out the whole lining. And this looks like a couple of card slots. And it does have the Zara's branding on it. To show you closer, you can tell the craftsmanship is not the best. Like how they cut the credit card or the card slot. You can tell here is too close to the stitch, and here is further away. But it's Zara, and for the price I pay for, yeah, I guess it's not so important. Let's see. Let's take a look at the crossbody strap. So it has this removable crossbody strap that you can adjust the length. I like that it's kind of a good running errand kind of bag. That's when you don't need to carry a lot of stuff. This probably is too short even for me. So I'm sure by now you probably can guess that it's made from faux leather. It's not real leather, of course. It's from Zara. I mean, Zara does make bag that's made from real leather, but not this one. This one I saw it on sales for, I think, you'll be shocked. It was on sale for $20, so I thought I would test it out to see how it looks. What do you think? Not perfect. I mean, I do like it. I just wish the hardware is not so wobbly. You can see. Making a lot of noise here. But it's kind of just a fun bag, and I like the design of it. I wish other company would make similar design. I think Zara does have good designer. Like they do design something cute and functional. It's just the craftsmanship and the quality sometimes is not the best. So this is my first bag from Zara, and I hope you found this interesting. I think next time I should go shop at the store mall to check out the quality before I buy it. But I also noticed that when I went into Zara store, they don't have as many items like they are online. Maybe because I'm in Austin, Texas, so they may not have the best selection compared to big city like New York or California. So thanks for hanging out with me today for this quick unboxing. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.